It's dinner time, so I'm going to have my salad. This is grated carrots, avocado, almonds, purposely to help me not to be constipated. Anytime I'm constipated and I take almonds, it solves the problem, so that's why it's in there. And I don't go without my bell peppers, if you have noticed. So this is my yellow bell pepper to give it some color, and this is scrambled egg. I've got a video of how I make scrambled egg in week 1 of this 50 days fast. Today I will use red wine vinegar as part of my dressing. So this is 1 teaspoon. And then I have my black pepper. And finally I will add pink salt, just a little. Guys, if you've tried any of my salad recipes, please leave it in the comment. Let me know which of them you love the most. It's time to mix everything together. If you have still not liked this video, please do leave a comment and share with your friends. Also, make sure you are following this channel by subscribing or clicking on the bell icon. If you are a salad lover who normally get constipated, well, I've just given you an idea of what to do. Just make sure you always have your almonds once in a while. If you were to give this salad a name, what name do you think will best suit it? Please leave it in the comment. Let's interact through the comment. It will be nice to hear from you. You are invited to my dinner. Don't forget to watch my other videos. Let's learn and grow together. I'll see you in my next video. Thanks for your time. Bye.